Welcome back to Brady Pat RC. Nice to see some new subscribers. Hope everybody is safe in this current crisis in the world with the coronavirus. However, I'd just like to do a short video on my current collection that is growing. So we'll start off with the Ansman 2-wheel drive short course truck 110 scale. This is the original body, however we have damaged it with future outings, so I did manage to replace the body with a spare Traxxas T-Max body. Looks absolutely great, worked out well, a few little trims on that, fits quite well, money saver. Where it was nitro body, obviously some holes, so I've just found some plastic to put underneath to stop the water getting in, and tape the inside. Got a nice tip there from RC Spark Studio to help keep the body strong as possible. All stock inside, except for the receiver, which went a while back. Other than that, a really good car. It was a good purchase. Nice and fast. Again, new body on. Next up, 4-wheel drive crawler, Charisma SCA 1E Adventurer, Coyote model. Again, needs a clean because it is used quite regularly. I only did some slight modifications to it. Had an old toy grade monster truck, took the side rails off, fixed them on, makes that look pretty cool. Again, found a roof rack from a toy grade monster truck. Got some they're not working light buckets, but I'm going to drill them out and fit some LEDs in there. Why not? Just added some accessories. Pretty much stock vehicle. Again, needs a good clean. It's had a new servo. It's the only upgrade so far. Has been a great rig out on the trails. Next upgrade will probably be the suspension. However, it's got great flex. The body's held up well. An absolute good purchase if you're on a budget. Not bad. A few decals on there. A few little homemade towing straps there. We do some videos soon on how to make them. They do work. They are pretty good. Just some scale accessories purchased on the top there. Next up is my actual SCX 10.2 poncho. Had this one a couple of years. At the moment, pretty much all stock. A great rig. Did a lot of research on crawlers and found this one to be one of the most popular ones. My next purchase will probably be a Traxxas TRX4, something like that. But this one is a great runner. Again, just some decals have been put on and some accessories, fuel can, oil drum, pretty much stock. Did a recent upgrade on one of my videos you may have seen. Savox 1210 steering servo, because the other one actually, the stock one gave out. So I did strip it down, kept all the metal gears out of it, but the motor side of it is just not, just packed in. Again, all stock. Got some tyres on order. These tyres hold up pretty well. I'm not sure if I'm going to put my new tyres on the Honcho or the Coyote. Again, pretty good. It's had a new steering arm. You can just get that shot in there. Steering horn, whatever you guys want to call them. all aluminium, seems to be holding up quite well. Next up was one of our first purchases many years ago, FTX Outlaw 1/10 brushed. Been a great rig for the last 4 years. Brilliant stock tyres on there, absolutely awesome, nice and soft, gives good grip on the rock bouncing. It's not bad as a crawler, and it's brilliant as a desert racer as such, out on loose gravel tracks, places like that. Again, needs a good clean. It's used quite often. This one's laid up at the moment because it needs some work doing to it. So the ESC and receivers give out, which was located here. So a few modifications, the rest of it's still stock. And get some pretty good aluminium upgrades for these Outlaws. All aluminium bits and bobs that can be changed on there quite easily and affordable. I'm not going to rush into it too much at the moment, as I've got plenty of other rigs I'm working on. But this is still one of my favourites. A good all-round utility RC vehicle, is what I'd like to call it. Like I said, it's good for crawling, good for rock bouncing, good for desert racing, loose gravel tracks, grass. It is fast. I think on this upgrade I'm going to go brushless. We'll have to wait and see, but the brush version, which this is a pretty good vehicle. Could get it from most places for around 125 UK pounds, which is not bad if you're starting out. It's easy to drive, can take a lot of bashing. Like I said, the only thing that's gone on it is the ESC and the receiver. Other than that, everything's worked really well. Very impressed. One of my favourite rigs. Next up is my son's Kyosho 110 two-wheel drive monster trucker. Again, not a bad vehicle. This one's around about 100, 120, 125 pounds. Not bad to start off with. Still fully stock. Great at pulling wheelies. Just some decals have been added, as you can see. Pretty much a good all-round fast little truck. Let's have a quick look inside. Body is a bit stiff to come off. All pretty much stock, nice and colourful. Where I had the ESC issue, I decided to take all this out and try it in now, which works fine. So at the moment I am putting this ESC setup and receiver in there when I want to use that, and then I just put it back in the meantime. Not too much time consuming, but you know, not everybody's made of money, so we do what we can in this hobby. Next up is the 1/18 Maverick Ion 4-wheel drive monster truck. That's not recently purchased. Good fast little truck. Bought this off a good friend. Fantastic little vehicle. However, we took it to our maximum on one of our short videos, and we broke the left wheel setup and the shock. Got the new shocks, just waiting for the all aluminium parts for the front and the rear to come. In this current climate, people are busy. Not really an essential item. You could say it is, but when it gets here, it'll get here, and we'll get that back up and running. And here's our chairman, Brody. How you doing? Come out to see the trucks. Goodbye. Next up is our 2-wheel drive Traxxas Stampede. A good purchase this has been a great vehicle. Seen loads of these on YouTube videos. Lovely setup. Some decals fitted. all still stock. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant, fast, durable. Had a little body issue. One of my videos you can see I did do put a bar in there to stop the body flapping up. Otherwise a good vehicle, one of my son's favourites. Next up is the Traxxas 2.5 Nitro T-Max. Again, got from a good friend of mine. Haven't got it up and running yet. Engine needs cleaning, and we'll get some fuel and we'll get that started up. 1/8 size, all stock. You can see how big that is compared to the Stampede 110, T-Max 1/8. Should be good. Should be a good vehicle. Seen lots of videos on that. Then we go tiny, mini me, 1/24 scale, 4-wheel drive buggy. Let's stick it in front of the Outlaw. Pretty good, fast little vehicle. We'll have some upgrades eventually. Some little tyres. Kind of borders on the toy section, but is more than upgradable. A good future little project. So there we have my collection so far. Now I'm going to be looking to add. So hope you all enjoy. Leave your comments in the box below. Anything you'd like to see from these vehicles, we'll do. And get some more upgrades on all these vehicles, and go have fun, go RC, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.